say na arrest Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki.
It's not my page that post the video.
And the law, you said you know about the law. Yeah.
I hear about Okeite. I know they do since when I hear go to my page, you see nothing like that.
Okay, you know the you have already stopped
yeah, because they say Okeite do this, okay, I just stop it. But that Okeite, now we give them that name. Okeite will not be na name. Okeite na the same way. But now because of that one, they're there for what?
So, gentlemen, we are going to push further. We must. So we want to see those things. Okay? We want to even see where you do these things. And then the evidence that what you're doing. And then even your shop. Okay? Where it is, and that is what the law says. And failure to get all these things, of course you know the consequences. I will add you, Joseph. So get the team ready. We'll investigate him first. As at this point, yeah.
Come this way. Come. No.
Come.
Thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe on this channel. Stay connected. Subscribe on this channel. Benedict UC. Thank you for watching.